Off to the Dandenong Curry Festival. It'll be interesting. Morning all. Well, I mentioned that curry festival that is happening this weekend, and I'm going there. So I don't know how I'm going to handle all these curries, but my stomach's been a little bit sensitive to spicy food. But I'm going to give it a shot regardless. Regardless of the consequences, I'm going to eat some curry. So let's go check it out. Yes, I'm really enjoying the drive. Haven't had a nice warm day like this for a while. We've been in winter. Winter's just finished. So we're into a fantastic spring season now. Really looking forward to it. Probably get out a lot more and do a few more things. Parked about 200 metres away from Dandenong Market. I think it's a safe bet because parking is absolutely ridiculous. So do a bit of a walk down, enjoy the day. Pedestrian crossing's taking forever. Getting very hungry now, just standing here thinking about all that curry. Just entering the market now, and it's extremely busy as usual. Shop's doing well. I can't see any specific area where they're having all these curries, but I'll just walk outside and check it out and see what's going on. Fresh produce is just amazing down here, and a lot of variety, very cheap too. For the life of me, I can't find a specific area for curry festival. It must be just something promoted with all the stores, I don't know. Keep walking around. As you can see behind me, there's a Sri Lankan stall there with curry. So I might actually buy something from there and take it home. Take it home, yeah. It's just way too crowded in here at the moment.
And you guys hard. Everyone blow very hard. Don't split, please. On count of three. 1, 2, 3. Sometimes that happens. Sometimes.
That bloody magician would make all these curry stalls appear from nowhere because I can't find them. I did a tour of the whole market. I couldn't find anything. I think they're just promoting the regular store holders there. So I got myself some pork curry, and they had these pan rolls there. Couldn't resist them at all. So I'm going home to eat my curry and rice, the pork curry, but this is along the way. It's bloody nice. The fish pan rolls, yummy. So I got some pork meat, fried rice, okra, and beetroot for lunch. It's putting a smile on my face already. So I'm gonna eat that when I get home. But this pan roll, bloody popular with everyone that I know, and I'm a little bit peckish, so I thought, hey, why not? It's good for your health. Well, that was a little bit disappointing at Dandenong Market because I thought they'd have it all set up in a specific area since they promoted it as a curry festival. It was bloody nothing. Never mind. I got my hit of curry. That's all that matters. I'm not going into much detail with this rice and curry. It's just a pork curry with some fried rice. I've probably done a review on it in the past, I'm not sure. But anyway, I got my fix on curry. It's nice. I got this. Yeah, it's like baked fish. They call it sprats. So I'm going to enjoy this. Till next time. Ciao for now.